Hey, what's up guys? My name is Ilyas and welcome to your 18th tutorial on jQuery. And in this tutorial we are going to finish working on the chatbot. And the reason why we are going to finish doing it is because this tutorial said, the purpose of this tutorial said is to teach you guys basics of jQuery and stuff. And if we continue doing the chatbot, it won't be jQuery tutorial anymore, it will be tutorial on chatbots. But anyway, we used lots of jQuery in this chatbot. So today we only add a new condition to this function AI, which tracks the user input. And you can continue working on this chatbot if you're interested in it. So you can add your own conditions and you can expand the chatbot and make it really nice. So, and the last condition I want to add to this AI function is I want to teach the chatbot to tell what time it is when I just type, hey, what time is it? Or hey, can you tell me what time it is? Or something. Alright, we can actually just copy this condition from the previous tutorial, and instead of looking for how are you, we'll look for the keyword time. And instead of saying thanks, I'm good, we will say current time is, and just leave the blank space right here. And before we display the current time, we need to get it using JavaScript built-in functions. So the first thing I want to do, just define a variable called date, and I set it equal to new date. And then I need a variable called, I'll just call it H, and it will stand for hours. And so what I do, I just type date dot get hours, and the new variable called, I'll just copy the string because I'm lazy. I'll just say variable m, which will stand for minutes, and it's going to get minutes for us. And now we can display this data. Just say h, no, plus h plus parentheses, colon, and plus m. So this code will display the current time for us. Let's just go ahead and run and test it. Hello, what is your name? My name is Tester. Nice to meet you, Tester. How are you doing? I'm good. How are you? Thanks, I'm good. And let's say, can you tell me what time is it? And it does. It tells us what time it is. It is 16:18, which is military time format, and it means just 4 p.m. and 18 minutes. So this is it for this tutorial and for this chatbot. But before we finish, I'll explain you some things real quick. And if you want to add some new feature to the chatbot, you can use this if condition. And the next thing you would want to do, you would use this message index of condition, and here you type something what you expect from the user. For example, if the user if you figured out a way how to get weather, or how to get, I don't know, the current weather, we'll just say weather, and here you write the code which displays you the weather. Of course, it's kind of difficult to get the weather using only JavaScript. You would need API and stuff for it, but this is just an example. And if you want to track two parameters at the same time, or two phrases at the same time, you can use or condition, which is, let's just make an example. Make sure you have enough empty brackets and enough brackets. So what I'm going to do is the following. I can use this if condition. Let me just figure out how I get this. Yeah, you can use this if condition by using these two vertical lines. I really don't know how you call this sign. And just copy this index off again, and here, for example, I'll just say hours. And if I type hours or if I type time, it will run this code. So this is pretty much how OR condition works. And you can also use AND condition, and AND condition is just two AND signs like this. And the difference between AND condition and OR condition is very simple, because OR condition will execute this code in both cases if this one is true, or if this one is true, or if both of them is true. And if you have the AND condition, it will run this code inside of this if statement only if both of them are true. So we are going to use OR condition right here, and we can check it. So what is your name? My name is jQuery. Nice to meet you, jQuery. How are you doing? I'm doing good. How are you? Thanks, I'm good. And I'll just say hours, and it displays the current time anyway, even though I said hours and it didn't say time. So we are done with the chatbot now. So feel free to ask me if you want to add some further functions. I will be looking forward to answer your questions. And starting for the next tutorial, we are going to program a new project, and it's going to be lots of fun, and you will learn a lot of jQuery. So I hope you guys had fun building this chatbot, and as I said, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. So I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Have a nice one.